recently concluded election faced a defeat. Not only in the recently concluded election, in the past election also we faced a defeat. So we decided and asked our General Secretary to convene the General Council meeting and to discuss what is the problem, why we got defeated in the elections, to discuss and take further action to the development and interest of the party. We asked him to convene the General Council. We expect our General Secretary to convene the General Council meeting. And in the meantime, they proposed some proposal, which is we as a ADMK legislative party to form the government with the support of the DMK government, which is against our founding principles. Because the ADMK was founded because of to uproot the DMK, the evil force, to wipe out the evil force DMK in Tamil Nadu. That is the only and foremost aim of the ADMK, which is now founded by our Dr. MGR and which was saved and protected by my Amma. But now some proposal which is against our principle, basic principle of our party. To align with the DMK, we are not, our legislative parties and party men are against to that proposal. We opposed. So, and our legislative party in the meeting, we take a decision. It is against our party interest. If we align with the DMK, ADMK will be wiped out in future. So we are against. So we are, as a legislature party, passed a resolution against that proposal, and also legislative party as a majority member elected Thiru SP Velumani as a floor leader.